documents being submitted previously is the same documents that you have submitted in today's hearing?
They are not the same, Your Honor, in the sense that if there is a difference in spelling, there's a difference in the result. So we're now consolidating, we're checking the spelling of all the names submitted last week and the names that we submitted previously so that we can consolidate all our reports.
Ma'am, ano lang ako, medyo, kasi until now, AMLA, the case that was filed, doon sa mga forfeiture of properties, isa pa lang po, okay, that's not your fault. It's the fault of AMLA. But, ang sinasabi ko lang po, pag may nangyari, doon sa mga dokumento, babalikan ko yan sa staff ko, may mangyari doon